Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and today is something special. Usually I'm kind of in on weekends. It's like my chill time, you know, time to myself. Hey man, I have the whole day to play, so whatever we get into, I'm gonna bring you guys along. So let's enjoy this vlog. You want to know what I love about these vlogs is that I could just watch these years and years later. So David and I, we're watching a vlog that we did about 6 years ago, and when we were watching the video, it was so interesting. It was just like, man, young us didn't know that we would be here today. We didn't even know what was to come, you know what I mean? So it's crazy just seeing the young version of us and the older version of us. Like, there's so many things that changed, and that's what I love about vlogging. Honestly, this vlog channel, it doesn't make much money at all, but it makes me so happy to do this. I literally love doing this. I'm kind of sad that I'm not able to do it a little more often because I get busy and all that, but I'm gonna try. I'm trying my best, guys. Trust me, I don't do this for the money. If you guys are curious about what a YouTuber makes with my channel and my views, I'll pop it up on the screen right there, all right? I'm being real with you guys. That is what this channel makes. It's cool money though. It's cool money, but honestly, I do it for the memories. David got keys pulling up right now. Oh my gosh. Hey, you got your phone now, buddy?
I have it.
David forgot his phone.
I'm silly.
Are you vlogging today or are you taking pictures?
Both.
Make sure
all of the above.
Check out his vlog channel. That'll be down below in the description. Oh yeah.
Support my small business.
And boom, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. I know I just did an intro and I said that today's gonna be something different. We are out here with the man David Got Kicks.
Hey.
What do you notice? What do we have in the background? The background looks a little bit different.
Wait,
do you hear that?
hold on, let me clean my... Are we in Hawaii?
I think we're in Hawaii.
Wait, pinch me, I'm dreaming, pinch me.
Sure. So guys, we are in Hawaii for the next 4-ish days. So we're gonna bring you guys a brand new travel vlog series, just a quick one. But this one is David Got Kicks' first time in Hawaii. I'm showing him everything that Hawaii has to offer.
We're doing like the first time trip Hawaii starter pack pretty much. So we're going on a hike right now, but throughout this trip I'm excited because I'm going to be exploring a lot of new things and places.
And we've been talking about this for a while, and I was just like, bro, I've been on so many Hawaii trips but never with David.
So he finally invited me, guys.
So now we are out here. We're about to get this quick little hike in. Let's go. Yo, that thing looks crazy. Whenever I do come to Hawaii, I usually vlog with like a smaller camera, either my GoPro or just my point and shoot, but this time I'm gonna try to vlog with my DSLR. So hopefully the quality is nice. Hopefully the microphone's good here. Let me do a quick little ASMR. Can you guys hear me? Hypesaurus.com, swipe up. Wholesome content of the day. Oh shoot, I'm gonna get hit by a car. I always get excited when it's somebody's first time here because I've been here so many times that I kind of, you know, have everything down. So if I could show them where all the cool stuff is, you know, I'm gonna show them. We're gonna do this hike, Lanikai Pillbox. Pretty easy hike, but I think they're gonna enjoy the views and everything. So let's get to the hike. Whoever visits Hawaii, or if you live here and you see this, send me a picture. The first like 3 people that do this, that send me a picture of this, it has to be a selfie. I'll get you something, but take a picture of this right here.
That's vandalism, sir.
That is vandalism.
Okay, I'm done. Are we there yet?
We just started.
What? I'm just kidding.
We just started this hike, but look at the view already. This place is beautiful. We're gonna be hiking all the way up there. We just started. There's still a lot more to go, but look at the view.
A few inches later.
Mr. David Got Kicks. How are you feeling right now?
Feel good.
You feel amazing?
Yeah, it was just a little hot, but there's also a little breeze too, so it's not that bad.
Now it feels really good. And with the, dude, come on. That looks really nice.
Yeah, I think the view is like the accomplishment, you know, you feel accomplished
That's like your treat at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. What? What? Come on, man. I've seen this view plenty of times, but every single time it's still nice. I still appreciate it. Water's looking blue. Weather's nice. I feel good. That's what it's all about, man. That's why you gotta travel, especially with your best buds.
Before we move on,
those videos. What's more rewarding than going to the beach like this after a long hike? It doesn't get any better than this. I've been looking forward to getting to the water. I need it. The sun has a little bit of clouds blocking it, so it's gonna feel extra nice. David got kicks. Are you ready to go inside the water?
yeah, I'm ready.
Wait, hold on. 3 blind mice. Insert PNG. Sorry. I didn't mean it.
I don't want to waste.
I'm sorry. Yo, what is going on, guys? Got a fresh white tee on. It's nighttime now, so we had time to, you know, get a little bit more fresh, take a nice shower, and now we're just gonna roam around, walk the strip a little bit. And I think the shops will be closing a little bit earlier these days, maybe like 9 or 10.
Pause.
Yes.
I heard you say David and I showered.
No, I didn't say, dude.
What did I?
No. Hey, rewind. Get a little bit more fresh, take a nice shower, and now we're just gonna roam around. Why is this guy thinking like that?
I just wanted to make sure.
No,
there
dude,
was
why
like-
would I say that?
Because you would say that.
Okay, I would say that, but I didn't say that.
Okay, never mind. Continue. Sorry.
I lost my train of thought
I
now.
left off. Sorry.
Anyways, cute dogs. Cute dogs. And then there's single me over here. Hey, it is what it is. If I'm not mistaken, I was looking at places. It was either like hotels or Airbnbs. I think for a week in this building right here was about $12,000. No, look at that. Got a dune buggy from Vice City. What? Bro, I used to drive those all the time. Wild, bro. All right, guys, we're gonna check out Harbor's Vintage right now. It's a sneaker and vintage store. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Wow, so fake. We literally just walked out.
I know. I forgot to do the intro. So that was the intro to the B-roll that you guys just saw. How about that? This in high school, whew, with the green underbill. And if you want to get really fancy, you get the Tisa one. Dude, 30 bucks for this? It's not bad.
2016 Alex was going crazy.
Dude, yeah.
2012 Alex.
2012 me. I like these tote bags. These ones are sick. Shout out to Harbor Vintage. These look like all GS dunks right here. Hella dunk lows, different colorways and all that good stuff. Selection's pretty good out here, man. I haven't even walked around the whole store yet, but they got a lot of vintage, they got a lot of sneakers. Let's go ahead and check this case out. Ooh, I need these. Yo, $270? I gotta double check. Price on these. I might get them. from Matcha Cafe Michael. This is just some matcha soft serve. I got the swirl vanilla matcha flavor. I got it before and it was only the matcha flavor and it was just kind of weird to me, but I figured, you know what, let's just try it. It's kind of hot outside, so let's give it a little taste test. Okay, this is good. This is good if you get the mixed one, but the matcha by itself is kind of bland. The vanilla adds a little bit of like a sweet creamy flavor. And the matcha flavor is more of like you're eating grass. Oh my gosh. Yo, that's video quality fire with this DSLR.
Wholesome content.
All right, you guys, we made it back to the hotel. I am tired. I'm done today, so I just wanted to end this video up right here and right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to David's channel. That's gonna be linked down below. Any closing words, David?
Last time you said you're gonna put something in the description, I found nothing except a broken heart.
Before, after.
Oh, it doesn't even look that bad anymore.
We'll catch you guys tomorrow for the next vlog. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do what you guys gotta do, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're out. Peace.
Bye.